Hello dear students, welcome to e-learning classes of P.N.AMERSEY High School. We will continue with our chapter number 11, mensuration. Now students, let us start with the last topic of our chapter, that is volume. Volume is the space occupied by the 3D object. Students, if we want to fill any container with liquid or solid things, we have to find out the volume of that container. Now here volume of cuboid equals to area of the base into height, where area of base is in circle shape, so in the place of area of base we will use the formula of area of the circle into height. Area of the circle was pi r square multiplied by height, so the volume of cuboid will be pi r square h. Students, the volume of the liquid and gases that do not have fixed shapes are usually measured in units like liters and milliliters. A few points we have to remember is that 1 meter cube is equals to 10 lakh centimeter cube. 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliters. 1 meter cube is equals to 1000 liters. 1 liter is equals to 1000 centimeter cube. 1 meter cube equals to 1000 liters and 1 centimeter cube is equals to 1 milliliter. Now students, let us begin with our exercise 11.4. Question number 1. Given a cylindrical tank, in which situation will you find surface area and in which situation volume? Students, here a cylindrical tank is given and here few situations are given. We have to find in which situation we will use the formula of surface area and in which situation we will use the formula of volume. Now students, we find the area when a region covered by a boundary such as outer and inner surface area of a cylinder, a cone, sphere and surface of wall or floor are given, and when the amount of the space occupied by an object such as water, milk, coffee, tea, etc. are given, then we have to find out the volume of the object. Here students, the first situation is to find how much it can hold. How much it can hold means we have to find out how much the space is occupied by that cylindrical tank. So here we will use volume. In B situation, number of cement bags required to plaster it. Here we have to cover the region. So to cover the region we will use surface area. In C situation, to find the number of smaller tanks that can be filled with water from it. Here we have to fill water from that containers. So we will use the formula of volume. Question number 2 of exercise 11.4. Diameter of a cylinder A is 7 cm and the height is 14 cm. Diameter of cylinder B is 14 cm and height is 7 cm. Without doing any calculation, can you suggest whose volume is greater? Verify it by finding the volume of both the cylinders. Check whether the cylinder with greater volume also has the greater surface area. Now students, here what is given in the question is that here a cylinder with diameter 7 cm and height 14 cm is given, and here cylinder B whose diameter is 14 cm and height 7 cm is given. यहाँ पर students दो cylinder दिए हुए हैं. We have to suggest whose volume is greater without doing any calculations. Calculations किए बगैर आपको suggest करना है कि किस cylinder का volume बड़ा है, and then you have to verify it by finding volume of both the cylinder. Then you have to find out the volume of the cylinder and then verify it whether the suggestion given about the volume of cylinder is correct or not. Next, we have to check whether the cylinder with the greater volume also has the greater surface area. Now solution for sum number 2. Students, here first we have to suggest whose volume is greater without doing any calculation. As in cylinder A, the diameter was 7 cm and in cylinder B the diameter was 14 cm. So we can say that the radius of cylinder A is 7/2 and radius of cylinder B is 7 cm. So we can say that the radius of cylinder B is double than that of the cylinder A. Therefore the volume of cylinder B should be more than that of cylinder A. Now students, next it was asked in the question that we have to verify it by finding the volume of both the cylinders. Now we have to find out the volume of both the cylinder. First we will find out the volume of cylinder A, where the diameter of the cylinder A was 7 cm. So radius will be diameter divided by 2, that is 7 divided by 2 cm, and height given in the figure was 14 cm. Now to find out the volume of a cylinder, the formula is pi r square h. In the place of pi we will write 22/7. Here in r square we will write 7/2 square, into h we will write 14. Here students, 22/7 we will write as it is. 7/2 square will be 7/2 into 7/2 into 14. Now 7 we will cut from above the line and below the line. Now 2 ones are, 2 11s are, 2 ones are, 2 sevens are. Students, 7 sevens are is 49, 49 11s are is 539 centimeter cube. So the volume of cylinder A is 539 centimeter cube. Next students, we have to find out the volume of cylinder B. Now here volume of cylinder B, diameter was 14 centimeter. So radius equals to diameter divided by 2, that is 14 divided by 2 will be 7 centimeter, and height was given as 7 centimeter. And so volume of cylinder B will be pi r square h. In the place of pi we will write 22/7 into r square means 7 square, h means 7. So now students, here we will write 22/7 as it is, into 7 square means 7 into 7 into 7 we will write as it is. This 7 we will cut from above the line and below the line. Now 7 into 7 into 22 will be 1078 centimeter cube. So the volume of cylinder B is 1078 centimeter cube. Now students, it is verified that the volume of cylinder B is greater than volume of cylinder A. Now students, next it was asked that we have to check whether the cylinder with the greater volume also has greater surface area. So we will find out the total surface area of cylinder A and cylinder B. So total surface area for cylinder A will be radius 7/2, which we have calculated earlier. Height was 14 centimeter. The formula to find out the total surface area of cylinder A is 2 pi r in the bracket r plus h. 2 we will write as it is. In the place of pi we will write 22/7. In the place of r we will write 7/2. Here also in the bracket 7/2 plus 14. Now students, this 7 and this 7 we will cut, and this 2 and 2 we will cut. Remaining will be 22 in the bracket 7/2 plus 14. Now students, 22 we will write as it is, and then if we add 7/2 plus 14 with the help of LCM, we will get the answer is 35/2. Students, you all know how to add the fractions with the help of LCM. So here 2 we will divide, 22 we will divide from 2, 2 ones are and 2 11s are. Now 35 into 11 will be 385 centimeter square. Therefore the total surface area of cylinder A is 385 centimeter square. Now students, we will find out the total surface area of cylinder B. For cylinder B, radius was 7 centimeter, height 7 centimeter. So total surface area of cylinder B, same formula we will use, 2 pi r in the bracket r plus h. 2 we will write as it is. In the place of pi we will write 22/7. R was 7, and in the bracket also we will write radius 7 and height 7. So 2 into 22/7 into 7 in the bracket 7 plus 7. This 7 and this 7 we will cut now. So 2 into 22 into 7 plus 7 will be 14. Therefore 2 multiplied by 22 will be 44. 44 multiplied by 14 will be 616 centimeter square. So students, the total surface area of cylinder B was 616 centimeter square. Therefore surface area of cylinder B is greater than that of cylinder A, as the surface area of cylinder B is 616 centimeter square and surface area of cylinder A was 385 centimeter square. So we can say that the cylinder with the greater volume has also the greater surface area. Then question number 3 of exercise 11.4. Find the height of a cuboid whose base area is 180 centimeter square and volume is 900 centimeter cube. Here students, the base area of a cuboid is given, that is 180 centimeter square, and the volume of the cuboid is also given, that is 900 centimeter cube. On the basis of the information given, we have to find out the height of the cuboid. Solution for sum number 3. Here base area of the cuboid was given 180 centimeter square and volume was also given 900 centimeter cube. Now students, we have to find out the height. So let height be h. Now volume of the cuboid is equals to area of base into height. Now volume of the cuboid given in the question was 900, area of base given in the question was 180, height we have given as h. So 900 equals to 180 into h. Here we will transpose this 180 and bring towards this side. So here 180 we are multiplying. If we transpose it, then we will divide this 900 with 180. H equals to 900 divided by 180. 180 5 is 900. So h equals to 5 centimeter. Therefore height of the cuboid is 5 centimeter. Students, with this we end our today's video and will continue with our chapter in the next video. Thank you.